Aloha, this is Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness, and this is my informational video on my entities group healing session. You can sign up properties, pets, or beings, people, for this session. And this one is a very comprehensive session. A lot of people think because it's a group session that it means that it's lesser. But I find on average, my group sessions are equivalent to approximately 30 to 50 of my one-on-one sessions because I can work so much deeper and more expansively in the group setting. With this session, I work on releasing all kinds of entity and nefarious energies from your body, your home, or your pet, or your property. I've had people sign up like whole buildings, their businesses for this. If you feel like you're under a spiritual attack, if you're not sure if this session is right for you, you can always request a free assessment and I would be happy to check your property or your business or whatever it is that you're interested. Some people even sign up their objects. Our objects can become haunted per se. So with this session, I'm removing all kinds of nefarious energies that are intended to act as parasitic, energy siphoning energies off of you. And they have malevolent intentions. Some of these include energy weapons. Have you heard the saying stabbed in the back, or a noose around the neck, or the cat got your tongue? These are literal energy frequencies that can create that symptom and that feeling in your body. And I'm very sensitive to this, and so I can literally feel when I don't have my bioshield up blocking this because I don't even care anymore, but I can feel when people are stabbing me in the back, and it feels like that energy for me. I also work on hexes, vexes, black magic, voodoo, curses. Many of us have inherited curses on our family, and something interesting that I found is these nefarious forces can be very cunning. They may hijack one of your ancestors, and if you have cords or attachments to that ancestor, they can come in through that opening and go direct to you. And you may feel blindsided by what is happening. Where did it come from? I have no idea. But through quantum healing, we can look into the ancestry. We look behind the scenes. We look into your past spirit journeys and remove these imbalances, not only in the now moment and what is currently or attached to you in this lifetime, but beyond the veil, beyond space and time. So most of my clients will release hundreds or thousands of these types of energies in one session. If you feel like you really need a deep assistance in this area, then I recommend leveling it up, which means you add 3 full days of clearing to your session, making it a 4-day session. Root causes of these energies. We're always looking to release the root cause of why this energy can attach to your body to begin with, which at some point, I like to say, can essentially make you immune, because if that energy is directed at you and there's nothing for it to attach to, bounces right off or goes right through, and we can walk through life free. And that's my ultimate goal for myself and my clients, is for us to gain freedom in all areas of our lives, where we're no longer worried about all of these energies being directed to us and attaching. We're letting go of all of this and saying, bring it on, and it's not going to impact me anymore. This can be a scary session for some people. I know the spiritual realm seems a little, it's frightening because we're not able to often tangibly experience it. We may experience things that we don't understand, or even, maybe your body is physically getting harmed by these malevolent energies. You're not crazy, and it is not something that we need to fear. If you are concerned about, what do I do about this? How do I stop this? First, this session is a great place to start. But if you join my Telegram channel, t.me/Roots Restored Wellness, in the pinned post, one of the very first ones, so you have to click through for a while, there is a sovereignty statement that has helped a lot of clients start to learn how to reclaim their energy and their space. You can also use things like sage with intentional prayers or statements around your property and declare that these energies are not welcome here. I revoke any and all consents. Usually they attach to you based on some type of implied consent. Implied consent is tricky. because usually it's assumed. So you may have done something or said something or connected with something inadvertently that gave an opening for these energies to come right in. So we work on releasing all the root causes of why these are here, why they're attaching. I also work on closing portals and vortexes, which are energy openings that can allow these energies to come through. If I'm working on your property, it is very common for me to find that properties that are impacted by these types of energies are on ley lines. Ley lines are energy grid lines under the earth that would be energy superhighways. And if you have a negatively aligned or polarized ley line going through your property, I would expect high levels of activity going on. So you're not crazy, it's actually happening. And it happens to a lot of the properties that I work on. And so we can work on those ley lines, release the root cause of why this dense energy is able to allow anchor points for these malevolent forces to be there. So I hope that this gives you some encouragement. It is pretty simple for me to release these. I've been working with, with these malevolent energies, extremely high level targeted individuals, all kinds of, government type of programming on people for many years. And so this is one of my areas of expertise. And I love navigating this field and freeing people from these forces. So I am so honored that you are trusting me to support you on your healing journey. And I look forward to working together.